Gaurav Bissa from Incred is here to talk more. Gaurav, quick reading on the Nifty, Bank Nifty for a moment and your trading ideas, and then we'll talk about select movers in trade. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. As far as the Nifty is concerned, see at high levels we have seen a breakdown retest of Nifty at 19,859 spot level, and this is also the 61.8% retracement of the fall that started from 20,200 to about 19,200. We will find some resistance in Nifty at higher levels. On a broader perspective, it is a sell on rise market for time being. On the other hand, if somebody wants to play on very ultra short term, maybe 1 or 2 days perspective, then we are still holding about 19,500, 550 quite strongly, or 19,600 for that matter. So one can use stop loss of 19,630, 640, buy Nifty here. The targets will be around 19,800. As I said, for small bounce, one can buy here, but overall the trend or the upper band remains a little bit weak. For Bank Nifty, any declines towards 44,000 on the spot side can become a lucrative buying proposition, keeping the stop loss at 40,800, which we made last time when we slipped lower. And on the upside, again 44,600, 700 can be seen. So in my opinion, it's a buy on declines for both Nifty as well as Bank Nifty for a minor bounce back.
Hey, what are your trading ideas? Specific ones, Gaurav?
I have a buy and sell recommendation. The first recommendation would be a buy call on Metropolis, where we have seen a very strong and very interesting move happening, and it's now giving fresh breakouts on daily charts. It's forming a rounding bottom formation on daily and weekly charts as well. One can play for 1620, keeping the stop loss at 1520. Second would be sell on Bank of Baroda, where we have seen a rounding top formation happening on daily charts. We have seen a breakdown of that pattern happening. It's trading below its 21 exponential moving average as well. One can keep a stop loss of 208 and play for targets of 192.
AB Money, there's a sharp surge in that stock by almost 4%, and the result has actually come in on your screen. Even the top line has gone up, profit has also come up on your screen. So probably that is the reason. Okay, almost 9.5 crore has become 12 crores. Reasonable jump, not a very big one, but there is a view coming in over there. Gaurav, quick view on some of these pharma names. Sun Pharma 1140, Indus, Aurobindo is also doing well last few days. What would your top pharma pick be in this market?
See, if somebody wants to play large cap, then the structure of Dr. Reddy remains interesting. It's at the current juncture at lower levels also it is looking interesting. But the way that we are looking at pharma names, we are not playing for a very short term note. Rather, it should be slightly medium to long term, where we are seeing very major breakouts happening in many of the pharma names as well. Among the large cap names, Lupin, Dr. Reddy are looking interesting. Among the mid cap names, what we have advised to our clients is Jubilant Pharma, that is looking very interesting. Sequent Scientific, that is looking interesting. If somebody wants to play only for trading perspective on a very short term, then Granules, a sustained move about 65, one can buy Granules for targets of 400. So I think there are certain opportunities for trading perspective as well, and there are good opportunities for long term. So in my opinion, Nifty Pharma will see strong upside and also outperformance against Nifty.
Okay, another stock which I want to talk to you about is Eureka Forbes. After a long time, we are seeing some breakout actually happening in Eureka Forbes. Look at the chart pattern for the last 6 months, and you will see that there was a big run and the consolidation, and now again rebound actually happening. Can you pull up the chart, Gaurav, and talk to us about what levels can we see in Eureka Forbes in the medium term?
See, if you look at the weekly charts, it has been the formation of lower tops, lower bottoms, and as you rightly mentioned, it is on the verge of a breakout. We have seen some slippages from higher levels today, but a close above 545, 45 can result in a falling trend line breakout, which can then push it towards the level of 580, and a close above 580 will result in a fresh breakout. So structure is getting interesting. It is getting stable. We are seeing a good amount of volume participation as well, but the immediate hurdle at this point in time will be 540. If it conquers 540 again, I think it's a good stock to buy.
Right, Gaurav, thank you so much for joining in with us this afternoon on ET, now giving us an understanding on the markets as well as individual stocks.